So you should remember when we were talking about proportionality, how we took these tables and we found out how they were changing. So on this side, for example, it is increasing by 5 each time, how we went and did those little bumps on the side. Okay, the money side is increasing by 40. We can use this idea to find the constant rate of change, which is basically another way of talking about unit rate, okay? How something is changing over time. These are very similar words. Except we need to keep track that we have our first column and our second column, and that's going to be important. Our second column, how it is changing, will always be the number on top. And that's because when we are graphing, we use an X and a Y, and Y is always the number on top. So the first column here will be our X. The second column will be our Y, and the Y is on top. So if the Y is changing by 40, then that means the 40 goes on top in your fraction. If the X is changing by 5, then that's what goes on the bottom in your fraction. Again, using the ABC button in your calculator, or just by some simple division, $40 over 5 cars is $8 per car. See, we're transferring it and using an equivalent ratio to find the unit rate. All of these words should sound familiar to you. Okay? So let's try and do some of those on your own. Use the examples here, A and B, to see if you can find the change and then create that fraction. Remember, the first one is the X, the second one is the Y, and Y is the top of our fraction always. Okay? You can do it.